friends, in today's video I have 3 Easter games that you can play with your kids at home. I know most of us for Easter we are going to be quarantined inside of our homes, so we won't be gathering with large groups of friends and family this year. I'm disappointed right along with you, so I won't be creating any group Easter games this year, but instead I will be focusing on Easter games that you can play with your family at home. If we haven't met before, hi, my name is Shawn. Welcome. On this channel, I am passionate about bringing families closer together through fun and games, but let's jump into today's games. Here we go. The first game is the chicken egg drop game. Get your Easter baskets or a bowl, put some Easter grass in it, and the goal is to carry a plastic egg between your knees over to the basket and drop it in the bucket. Whoever does the most in 1 minute, or you could do 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, or 30 seconds, determines the winner of the game. Moving on to game number 2. Game number 2 is a rabbit ear toss. So go ahead and cut some holes into the center of some paper plates so that you have some DIY rings. Put on some bunny ears and see if you can toss the rings onto the bunny ears, and whoever does this is the winner.
Here, come closer. Oh! This is hard when you won't cooperate.
Please consider subscribing to this channel if you want lots of new game ideas to play with your family at home and you need some inspiration. Let's move on to game number 3. Game number 3 I found on Play Party Plan. I will post a link to their channel down in the description box, so you definitely want to go check them out because they have a lot more ideas. But this is the egg balloon race. You're going to float the balloons, stick them between your knees, and try to erase them and see who can drop them into the laundry basket the fastest. My husband did get a little vicious and try to elbow me at one point, but we all had fun with this game. This game would be great to play outdoors as well if you want a larger space to play, but as you can see, my living room is rather small and we still managed to have fun in small spaces. Up is the best compliment you can give me. Subscribe if you want to grow closer to your family, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!